What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about what the 5 best free NFT crypto wallets that you can find in 2022. Let's get into it. But before I jump into the content, I just completely revamped my website, bitcoinlockup.com. There's some very exciting stuff coming in just a short few weeks, and you can always preview my newest videos and content there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There's also going to be some bonus exclusive content coming that will not be made available anywhere else. It's time to upset the established order.
And here we go.
NFTs have taken the world by storm. You might have heard this sentence multiple times if you have updated yourself about the recent events in the blockchain space. Hard to ignore. With its ever-growing use cases like gaming items, even status symbols, and of course using NFTs for profile pictures on Twitter are just a few examples. The NFT market has grown multiple folds, and I think this growth factor is the smallest time frame of any other digital assets. With sales volumes jumping to 24 billion in 2021 from just a measly 94 million in 2020. Do you notice that subtle shift in a billion from a million? Again, just to put that into perspective, let me show you a picture of how $1 million looks in front of a billion. Now, this growth of NFTs is not only due to the institutional investors, but also day-to-day retail investors like you and me, forming a majority in the space so far. And if you have already bought an NFT or you're thinking of a way to buy an NFT, then you will need a place to store them. But when it comes to storing your NFTs that you buy, there is a major myth that I want to bust real quick. First, you do not actually store the NFT or the crypto in a wallet. The coins and NFTs themselves are actually stored safely on the blockchain, and in NFT's case, it's in the form of a smart contract. A wallet is just a place where you store the private key to access that token. Now, anyone with a private key is the owner of all the assets stored within that address. As a result, this calls for additional safety and security of wallets. So we'll talk more about that later in the video. So when choosing a wallet, there are some points, or I'd rather say features, that you really need to consider and take seriously. Number one is compatibility. This is a no-brainer, and an NFT marketplace does not support the wallet, then the wallet is essentially useless. Security. Like I just mentioned, billions of dollars worth of NFTs have been exchanged in multiple NFT marketplaces. So you will never go wrong if you choose the most secure wallet out there. 3 is a simple or easy to understand user interface. Trust me, nobody likes a clutter interface where it's hard to navigate and difficult to use. An easy interface will go a long way to not only building trust by making it easier to buy and sell, but for storage and adoption. 4 is cross-device. Now mobile devices generate more than half of the worldwide traffic, but still having cross-device usage is quite valuable and quite flexible. And 5 is multi-chain support. Gone are the days when Ethereum is the only chain to host NFTs. There are other chains like Solana, Cardano, Flow, and many more. The number is increasing every day, so a wallet compatible with multiple chains is a major green flag. Even with these features, many wallets check most of the boxes that I just mentioned, and I think that they are the top best free available ones on the market today. Hopefully we get new ones soon. Now before I start, there's two very small disclaimers. First, none of these wallets are sponsoring the video. I'm just talking about my views and my personal experience as well as personal research. And then secondly, when I talk about free wallets, it means that it does not cost to buy or use the wallet. There's no service fees to store or sell NFTs. Depending on the blockchain, however, there may be additional gas fees or transaction fees for certain marketplaces. And again, with that all out of the way, the number one wallet on my list is called Alpha Wallet. Alpha Wallet is an open source crypto wallet built for mobile OSs like Android and iOS. The wallet only supports currently the Ethereum blockchain. Now, I know you must be thinking that that's a major limitation, but it is better to be an expert for a relatively small product and use that expertise to improve other products rather than being a jack of all trades and a master of none. So as a beginner, most of you don't know how to navigate the website and it may be difficult. So Alpha always has a very crisp and straightforward UI, which is best for beginners in my opinion. Now, some users might have hundreds of NFTs on their wallets. That makes searching for them a very tough task. With Alpha Wallet, you can tag them with meta tags and search with your NFTs where you can filter as you're looking for them. Alpha also utilizes a secure enclave, which gives the users a cold wallet level of security directly on your mobile device. There is also, of course, a 12-word backup key, biometric authentication, and PIN support. Now, with the built-in Web3 browser, you can directly interact with the DApp ecosystem. This means that you can directly visit NFT marketplaces in this wallet. This will go a long way in providing an easy access for all users. Also, businesses can benefit from Alpha's customizable features as well. That means that if you're running a business in the crypto space, you can directly use the tried and tested Alpha Wallet with some customization to suit each person's business. Sounds pretty interesting, doesn't it? Now, of course, we're just getting started. Coming in at number 2, it is Math Wallet. Now, Math Wallet is a multi-chain wallet that supports over 70 plus blockchains. Some of the most renowned names are, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, and BSC, if you're into that. Now, this wallet has over 1.2 million users, and the number is increasing at a drastic rate. Math Wallet stands out due to its multi-chain support, and I think this is one of the few wallets that provides massive value, of course, free of cost. Imagine that you are an NFT creator, and to make the most profit out of your entire project or campaign, you're gonna wanna spread it across multiple marketplaces on multiple blockchains. If you can relate to that, then this is the perfect wallet to reach your goal.
How do you figure that?
I've got no imagination.
Additionally, the Math Wallet is very flexible and can be accessed on a web browser through a Chrome extension, as well as mobile devices like iOS and Android that they have custom applications for. Now, this wallet comes with standard security features like the ones we've come to expect. Same as every other wallet, it has private keys, mnemonic phrases for backup, and two-factor authentication. Now, it may sound like Math Wallet is a one-stop solution for all of your wallet worries, but again, there have been in the past multiple reports of bugs and crashes, which raises the question of security and the wallet's ability to handle high traffic and high volume trades. Now, the interface has improved dramatically from what you see here to this newer version here. And in my opinion, it's slowly getting better, but still not designed for beginners. With that said, this is being worked on with a facelift and is continually being updated and adding easier to use features that are supported by the Web3 Foundation as well as the Polkadot team. So I am hopeful on garnering a full revamp soon, but it's very promising. Number 3 is Coinbase's private wallet. Now, Coinbase always pops up when anyone talks about their favorite centralized crypto exchange. But Coinbase also had a very powerful wallet connected to its users' accounts. You can store NFTs and cryptocurrencies in it simultaneously. I'm sure you know all about it. But what you don't know is that Coinbase released an update in late 2021 so that users can access the wallets from multiple devices. This way, mobile wallet users can access their wallets and access DApps and NFT marketplaces directly within that browser. So suppose you're selling an NFT to someone who uses the same Coinbase wallet. Then you don't need to type in the public wallet address that looks like alien hieroglyphics like most wallet addresses. This is mainly in part using its integration with unstoppable domains, and again, links down in the description if you want to learn more about that. You can just type in the username instead of the public wallet address. Now, I'm sure that this is a big relief for most users that are new. As you can see, the differences here. I am sure that you're probably going to prefer the username wallet address. And not only that, on top of the regular security features and updates, Coinbase wallets have the ability for a one-click cloud backup. And you can use it to store a backup of your private keys on a personal cloud like Google Drive if you want. Although for me, that's a big no-no. Just please don't back up any of your private keys to the cloud, period. It's really dumb to do that. Though there is one limitation that I think is stopping the Coinbase wallet from reaching its potential. It can only currently hold Ethereum-based NFTs. Now, if you ask me, that's a bummer, but I do think that they will add additional support soon. Coming in at Wallet 4 is Trust Wallet. Now, this is similar to the Coinbase wallet that is, again, backed and run by another massive crypto exchange giant. In this case, that giant is Binance. As the name suggests, with Binance's support, this wallet is one of the most trusted and used wallets out there. And as a cherry on top of the cake, this wallet is also free of cost. With a smooth and very crisp UI, this wallet is ideal for novice users. The wallet has cross-chain functionality, and with this wallet, you can browse many dApps and marketplaces. You can also choose to buy NFTs from multiple blockchains with low gas fees, including ones on BSC, Solana, and many more. The wallet also has a swapping feature, and that makes this wallet extremely powerful. As a crypto exchange, Binance has massive liquidity on its platform. So with the easy token swapping option, you can also buy NFTs and sell them with ease. Again, the wallet has a mobile-only feature, and you cannot access it through your web browser. Again, that's a major disappointment. And coming in at wallet number 5 is Enjin Wallet. Now, Enjin is a major promising project, and recently with its new EFI token, Enjin wants to become a parachain of the Polkadot blockchain and is on that road to major success. So it is no wonder that Enjin's native wallet is also on this list. The feature that stands out most is its security features, and Enjin went above and beyond with this. With Enjin, you can turn your phone into a hardware-like blockchain wallet. However, it uses the same blockchain key store for storing private keys. It also has fingerprint scanning that is also utilized, and this way, transactions can only be processed after using biometric authentication. If someone has access to your private keys, then they have access to all your assets. But it's useless if they can't transfer them to another place. Fingerprint authentication is a fresh addition in most crypto wallets. Enjin also provides a free and ad-free wallet experience to create multiple wallets within one single account. You can have a wallet for your trading, for NFTs, and even in-game assets. Similar to Trust Wallet, you can swap one token for another as well, and you can also use in the built-in browser to interact with multiple dApps and multiple NFT marketplaces directly from the safety of the wallet. But again, the downside is that you can only access the Enjin wallet only through their mobile application. As a bonus, first-time users can claim a free NFT by scanning a QR code available on Enjin's website, similar to what you see on your screen. So there you have it, guys. I've given you my personal insights, but if you want to use any of these, please also make sure to do your own research. If you want to have returns like a professional in the crypto space, you must first act like a professional.
It will pay. I may have been early, but I'm not wrong.
And security is at the top of that list. And if you like this video and you want me to keep making videos, then please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, blah, blah, blah. I hate doing that. And again, thanks a lot for sticking with me to the end of the video. But also click here on your screen for the next video where I did the best crypto hardware wallet for storing your NFTs. I will meet you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.